Hello, hello. Live stream number 24. Let's do this. Hope everybody's doing good today, tonight, this morning, whatever you want to call it. Whatever's going on in your time zone. Let's see. I forgot to check the news. Okay, there's actually a chunky amount of news. Big chunk of news at midnight on the GBP. It's kind of safe until the FOMC at 11 a.m. So I might stay away from the dollar pairs today. Dollar's kind of stalled out anyway. On the hourly and on the 4-hour. Not really in a good place to go up or down. So I'll probably stay away from the dollar pairs today. Let's see what else we got. This one's not looking too great either. EGBP, tons of movement here, so that's always good. That's always a good sign. Movement is good, but of course, as usual, we're not taking any trades before the open. I did forget to look at these. Let's see. Yeah, the dollar pairs were out of alignment except for the UCHF, which, as you can see here, my trade ended up going through. So very happy about that. I made the right call on that one. Nice 3 reward there. Very nice, very nice. Okay, this probably means that we might get some movement on the yen pairs today. Yeah, these are looking a little stalled out too. We're gonna find something. There's always something to trade. Gotta look around. Yeah, the yen pairs, not looking fantastic, really. ECHF, nothing there. GCHF. Possible short later. Maybe. Let's take a look at the cross pairs. Yeah, not really seeing much of anything today so far. Take a look at the major pairs. Oh man, my charts are all messed up today. Okay. Yeah, everything is looking kind of stalled out so far. The only thing I'm seeing good movement is the EGBP. So that might be the only pair that I trade today. Yeah, everything's looking a little... Let's see, I might even have to go over to like the S&P. me switch these over. 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour. This probably continues up, but it's not looking fantastic, and I don't really like to trade that pair anyway. Gold, not really sure what to do with that. And again, I don't really trade gold either. So, yeah, I think the trades are going to be here on the EGBP. I do have 19 minutes before the open, the first open. We are still dealing with the time change discrepancy, so I'm gonna have to we're gonna have to deal with 2 opens for the rest of this week, and then starting next week that will officially be over. Thank goodness. Hopefully the sound is coming through. Let me make sure actually. Yeah. Alrighty. So now just gonna have to wait for the open. Actually might be a little bit of a long trade here. I'm not sure if this is gonna continue coming down, but if it does, I'm not gonna try to go long on the euro against the green like that. Yeah, last night was really good. Best day I've had in a while. Definitely going to be interesting to see what happens today, since everything is looking so stalled out so far. I know the news coming up later on at 11 a.m. is pretty important, very heavy. So I've been noticing on days where that is the case that the dollar pairs usually don't move as much, but nothing's guaranteed. We'll see what happens. All right. Got about 16 minutes before the open. Check out these other indexes actually. Wow, is this really just gonna come crashing down like that? It might. It's possible. Okay, I'm gonna check out this music. Right. Nice and relaxing. For sure. Oof. Got a super early day tomorrow, but I don't want to rush. Can't rush trading. You just have to trade as things happen. So that's never the right mindset to come into the session. Oh, I need to hurry up and get these trades. Don't do that. You'll get the trades if they appear. Okay. Really quick. Handle this really quick. Oh man, I've got so much work to do on my YouTube channel this weekend. I got to actually put out a regular video. Definitely loving the live streams, but I gotta put out like an actual normal video too. So I'm still working on that right now. Whew. Believe it or not, YouTube videos do take about 5 hours or so to put together. And that's a short video. That's like a 10-15 minute video. So they take a lot of effort. A lot of people don't realize that. But it's fun though. It's a fun process. Yeah, I'm thinking that the trades I'm gonna take are probably gonna be on the EGBP here and possibly the U franc. Other than that, I'm not seeing anything else. All the yens look stalled out. Yeah, these are not looking very tradable, at least for now. The cross pairs I have not been trading the cross pairs for like the last year, and I don't think today will be any different. Major pairs, might get something on the major pairs. I'm not really counting on it, but it's a maybe. ECHF, I don't think I'm touching that today. GCHF, I don't think I'm touching that today. Let's see the well, if this were to go up, we'd have some trades on the yens. Could short these, but looking at the hourly chart is not a great, yeah, it's not a great short, really. It's okay. It's not bad, really. Yeah, possible short opportunity. Got 8 minutes for the first open, so it's coming up soon here. Possible long opportunity here. Not great. Might even go long here. A little risky. Yeah, we'll just have to see what happens at midnight. And like I said, there is some really heavy news on the GBP at midnight, so I definitely want to wait and see what happens with that. That's gonna throw everything off, along with the open already throwing everything off. It's gonna be a very chaotic open. I think the volume is kind of low. Trading volume's kind of low. Yeah, it's definitely not as high as usual. John Doe, how's it going? Name always cracks me up. John Doe. Yesterday's trades went really well. I ended up winning my UCHF trade. So that was right here. Took it here. Oops, yeah. So I think I had a 10 pip stop loss, 30 pip take profit. That was right down there. Took a while. It went through at 2:30, so a little bit after I left. So that was a good 3 reward there. And then we had my my trade that I showed you guys. I didn't take this trade, but I should have, and it ended up going way higher than I expected. And that was way down here. So that was this consolidation trend continuation right here. We had a 4. It did end up going 3 reward very quickly. And then as you can see, it went way up here. So just in theory, let's say that I took the whole entire thing. That would be 21 reward. How crazy is that? But yeah, I would have never guessed at that move when it went that far. It didn't look like it was going to go that far. I thought it was going to go 2 and then come back down. So, but anyways, yesterday went really well, to answer your question. So we got 3 minutes and 40 seconds before the first open. I'm very tempted to go long here. It's a little bit risky. I don't want to take anything before the open though, so I'm gonna have to wait. So for the consolidation, trend continuation, you're just waiting for. Here's an example here actually. So you're waiting for wide range move and a consolidation, and then you set your stop order underneath. In this case, sell stop order. But since it didn't continue going down, you wouldn't have been entered here. So that's how you save yourself from moves like this, where it's probably going to go back up. So use a stop order, not a market order, and you save yourself a bunch of losses that way. Like I say this multiple times a day, but making sure everyone hears me on that. Use stop orders, not market orders. Increase your win rate by a lot. Yeah, at least one consolidation bar. Sometimes you get more than one. Sometimes you get 2 or 3. Yeah, this move here should go up. I don't know how far it's gonna go up. It's got a nice downtrend on the hourly chart though, so it's kind of risky to trade against that, but it probably will go up for a little bit. All right, I'm just gonna take these now. Oh, big move down here too. Might trade that. All right. 1 minute before the open. Let's see what happens. I'm looking for trades here, and I'm looking for trades here. Might take a short here. I probably should have just took this long here. It's probably gonna go up to like here. I could have got a quick 2 reward there, but I don't know. It wasn't a good enough trade, I don't think. Even though it's probably gonna work. It's okay. It's okay to miss a trade here and there. All right, 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. Does it continue up? Here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Wow. All right, if I get a solid green bar, I'm gonna go long here. But I'm gonna wait for the bar though. Oof, man. That was the craziest open I've seen in a while. Man, check out the GBP. Man. Okay, well, there's definitely some trades to be had here. Just gotta wait for an actual real entry. I need at least a green bar on like the 3 minute. I'll go long. This can definitely continue down. It probably won't, but need some type of entry point. Diabolic. Parabolic. It was diabolical too. Parabolical. Yeah, parabolic bottom. Yeah, I would like to see at least one green bar. How's it going, Victor? I back tested all of my patterns extensively for years. That's how I came up with them in the first place. And that's how I know they work. Okay. Like I said, I want to see a green bar before I do anything. The old me would have did a buy market order probably like down here, which probably would work, but being as safe as possible with my trading these days, it's much better for the compound profits. Good, man. That's good to hear. A good job is a good thing. The trend continuation is the 3 trend continuation patterns I found and that I have are the highest win rate out of all the patterns that I trade. I've had up to 85%, and that was only maybe for like 2 weeks, but I usually stay above 65%. And I trade all these pairs you see here, all the normal stuff that I trade on here every day. Majors, odd NCD, Euro GBP. Those are the main ones I go for. Occasionally I trade the yens. Parabolic, diabolic, you know. Potato, potato. Worst performance on trend continuation, you'll get at least 50%. And that's really low. Probably more like 60. But if you're using stop orders, especially, you should minimum like 60, 65%. They're really good patterns. Yeah, I think you can actually have, I Let me see. I'm gonna look it up because I wrote this down somewhere while I wait for this trade to. While I wait for this pattern to form. I forgot what I saved it under. I put it under quick scalp. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So with the 3 reward system, all you need is a 26% win rate to break even. So if you go with all 3 reward trades, you could go as low as 26%. And like I said, you'll have at least like a 50%. That's on the low end. So you'll do really well. You just have to, like I said, use stop orders and only trade the patterns when you see them and don't trade anything else. And if you're going to do it that way, you might as well compound because you get way more profits that way. So we're just still waiting on a green bar here. I don't think this can go down much further, but I do want the confirmation. I'm actually liking this super safe way of trading. You miss a couple moves here and there, but the win rate is really high. So that's always good. High win rate is good. That's what you want to always have. Yeah, I don't see this bleeding down much further. And if you use 2 reward, I believe you only need a 34% win rate. Oh, are the yens moving? Or are they going down? Oh, goodness. Oh, they're all over the place. This is not a good start of the day. Everything's kind of out of alignment all over the place. Dollar does not have a direction yet. I'm really waiting on this. This is the only thing I see tradable right now. Yeah, use compounding. Watch my last video, and in the video I'm going to put out this weekend, we'll explain why compounding is better. As long as you're able to keep a high win rate and maintain win streaks, compounding is always better. Always, always. I would say it's an advanced strategy though. I don't recommend I'd say be a couple years in, be like 2-3 years in before attempting to compound. Definitely have to know what you're doing. And this is a possible short over here too. So got a couple trades that could possibly form. Just gotta wait. Today's gonna be one of those days I'm gonna have to wait for a really good opportunity. Yeah, like I said, I'd be surprised if this thing keeps bleeding down like this. I don't think it can go down much further. Yeah, I've gone over the patterns, at least some of the patterns in my YouTube videos. But all the patterns are detailed in the course in great detail. But I mean, I have a bunch of free information on my YouTube anyway. Mm. Long days. I've been working some long days. Okay. Might be here where I get an actual entry. Yeah, tons of free information on my YouTube channel. I got like 70 videos now. If you go through those, you can learn to trade really just doing that, honestly. It's not going to be as good information as the course, and it's not all organized and laid out like the course is, but it's a lot of the information in the course on my YouTube videos already. Yeah, support and resistance zones. I've got an entire section dedicated to that. Oh yeah, I think you did buy the course already, didn't you? I don't know if it showed me all the names of the people. Sometimes it was just an email address. Anyways, I'm definitely starting work on version 2.5 sometime next month. I'm like maxed out this month. I don't have any time left to do anything this month, but next month I can get started on it. Okay, you didn't get the course yet. Yeah, it's fine, man. Like I said, just go through my YouTube videos. It's a little mini course right there. That was how I got my start before I bought other people's courses. Is just watching stuff on YouTube. You learn a lot just from that. You can at least get a good base going, and then once you've traded for long enough, you'll come up with your own style, and you'll start to see different cycles and patterns, and you'll see the same thing repeat over and over, because that's really all the Forex market is. The same thing repeats over and over. My usual win rate, anywhere between 60 and 80%. It used to be like 70 to 80%, but now the market's gotten a little choppier, especially the last 2 weeks. But like January, I think I had like 80% win rate. January was super easy. This month has been really difficult so far. It's been the hardest month of the year so far. Lots of news and lots of major stuff happening in the world, causing a lot of chaos and things like that. Yeah, the course is good, man. I spent a lot of time on it. Version 2.0, so it's very well fleshed out by now, and then 2.5 is going to be even better. Akarshan, I use 2 to 1 or 3. I go for 2 or 3 reward. Okay, so this parabolic move here, we're waiting for one more green bar, and then we'll go ahead and attempt our entry. You need 2 bars in the other direction. So I'm just gonna wait for one more. No, EGBP should go back up. It's too far extended down now. I don't think it's gonna continue down. I'm just waiting on the entry. And then I might go short over here too. Yeah, those are the 2 trades I think I'm gonna take today. I don't think I'm gonna take any more. I just want to wait a little bit more. Let me see this. Let me see the higher charts here. Yeah, I'm going to give this one some time. But this one is almost ready. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good win rate. It took a while for me to get that high though. I would say the first like 2 years was like 50% win rate. I didn't get up into like the 60s and 70s until probably last year. Oh, the music is good. I'm glad you like it. I like I always say, I can't hear it until I watch the playback. So I'm glad it's good. I have no idea what you guys are hearing. Apparently, I'm gonna have to buy a new computer because this computer here is getting too old. Okay. Like I said, it's waiting for one more move down and another green bar. Hopefully it gives us the pattern. If not, I might just miss the move, but it's all good. Oh yeah, that playlist is like 10 hours long. So I'm using that. I'll probably use that for the rest of the week. Yeah, Windows. I'm not a fan of Windows. Like every time I have a Windows computer, it's always getting viruses, having a bunch of problems, and ever since I've had Macs, I've had 0 issues with like getting viruses and stuff like that. So that's been my experience. Well, that's why you need to learn how to trade, because you'll have a bunch of money. You can buy whatever you want. Yeah, once you get good at trading, you can buy whatever. Yeah, I've got a funded account. I've got a couple accounts that I trade. And then, like I was saying yesterday, I actually lost a couple of my funded accounts because, you know, I've passed the challenge 10 times. I didn't keep all those accounts because I ended up. Wow. I'm going to make a whole YouTube video about it, but just because you get the funded account doesn't mean that you keep it. You can lose it in various different ways. So, but I did keep some of them. I didn't lose all of it. Yeah, I was gonna show the freaking Mac Pro that I was looking at and how ridiculous. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my internet here, but hopefully this thing is still working. I don't know. Apple's side is like messed up. Okay. We're still in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, while I'm waiting for this move here. Look at how ridiculous. Hold on. Look at this. $27,000. $27,000 for a freaking computer. This one's 10,000. 5,000. That's so crazy. Oh, that's so crazy. Yeah, Mac stuff is like super. It is overpriced. Let me just keep it real. It's overpriced. By a lot. This is insane. Man. Well, I'm not buying this one. I'm not spending that much on a computer. That's like too much. I'll spend like 3,000. Even that's a lot, really. Maybe 3,000, but not. Yeah, no. $20,000. Craziness. New video. I am gonna put up. I'll probably put it up on Sunday at the latest. I might be able to get it done by Saturday, but most likely it'll be Sunday. Yeah, no, I get it's a powerful computer and everything. Probably one of the most powerful computers. Yeah, no, 20K and you get like a upper mid-range GPU. Yeah, I don't know. I bet they sell though. I've never seen one in person, but I'm sure people buy them. Okay, so what I'm waiting on here is for this to go down one more time and then put in one more green bar, and I'll go ahead and enter. But I will not enter until I see that exact pattern. And see, that's why I waited on this one here, because it went back up. I was gonna sell, and luckily I waited. But I think this is a pretty decent sell opportunity at some point. But I'll wait until I see like a better entry. Jennings Bros says, "Hey man, I'm kind of new to trading. I've been reading on it, but I just don't get how to read the graphs, when to buy and sell. Any tips or tricks?" Like I always say, go through my YouTube videos. You'll get a bunch of free information there, and read up on like trading books, just so you can understand like market cycles. That really helped me out in the beginning. Read up on market cycles. There's a bunch of free information on like Investopedia. You can go to the Baby Pips course. You can look around at other traders on YouTube. You can really learn how to trade for free. It's not going to be as good as buying a course, but that's what I did in the beginning before I had money to like buy other people's courses and books and stuff. Yeah, just look around. Read as much as you can about day trading and different patterns and things like that. That's a good start. And I would say the best way to learn is just spend time in the market. Oh, hold on. Okay, the dollar. Nah, that's not a strong enough. That's not a reliable uptrend. It might go up for a little bit, but I'm not gonna bank on that one. I'm still waiting on this move here, and possibly that U Frank. Yep, so one more move down here and another green bar. I will be in there. And it's probably going to be good for 3 reward. The dollar pairs are looking very choppy and unreliable right now, so I'm probably just going to skip those today. Yeah, once you get the technical skills down, you want to start reading up on trading psychology, because that's the next step. Get a good set of technical skills and then learn how to control your emotions. That's the most important thing, really. The technical stuff is not that hard. Yeah, I'd be very surprised if this continued going down. It could, but it's pretty low chance of that happening. But like I said, I want to at least see the pattern. This move right here, I would definitely need to see a pattern before I get into it. I think it's too risky to go long right now. Oh, you're looking at the indexes. Yeah, like I was saying yesterday though, remember the dollar index takes precedence over everything else, and then the major pairs, and then the other indexes. So just make sure you're going in that order when you're looking at stuff. The GBP index is kind of low on the totem pole. And yeah, all this stuff changes too. Like the cross pairs used to be really good. The cross pairs used to be some of the best pairs, and now they're super unreliable. Oh man, I fixed my charts. Yeah, I don't even I hardly even look at the cross pairs anymore. But the charts are not even loaded. Yeah, I used to trade these all the time. And ever since the C19, I've just really not been. Oh, this is probably a good long trade here. Yeah, I bet that works. I can almost guarantee this will be a long move here. And here. Yeah, these are the same, almost the same pair. Euro AUD and Euro NZD, almost the same pair. Same with these. GBP AUD, GBP NZD. Almost the same. Okay, here we go. We got our move down. So we're just waiting on one more green bar after this move down. And I'll set my buy order. Yeah, looks like I'm just gonna take one trade today. Not seeing much else. So I'll just wait for this one. That'll be it for tonight, probably. Oh. Okay. Yep, still waiting on this green bar here. I refuse to believe that this move is going to continue down. I don't believe it. Let's see what's going on with the weather. It's been so cold and rainy, and man, it is almost April and it's still like cold and rainy. It's supposed to rain today. Okay, looks like sunny after that. Man. Yeah, I'm ready for some hot weather for sure. Anyways. Yeah, the dollar pairs are not looking tradable. I'm just not even gonna. I'll keep an eye out, but I don't think there's gonna be anything over there. This is gonna be the one today. USD index is number one. Yeah, major pairs with the US dollar involved. Number two. I would just leave it there. I wouldn't even rank all the other stuff. Yeah, US index and then the USD major pairs 1 and 2, and then everything else is under that. I'll put it like that. Yeah, whatever the US dollar index is doing is going to drive all the major pairs, and then that drives everything else. So you can look at it that way. But yeah, the dollar index, you always want to start there. And like I said, on days like today where it's all stalled out and it doesn't have a clear direction up or down, you would trade pairs like the AUD NZD and the Euro GBP, because they're not involving the dollar at all. So whatever the dollar is doing is not going to matter for these two pairs. So that's why it's good to have this pair, especially. It's so good to trade on days like today where the dollar is not gonna move in a reliable way. You don't want to take trades on the dollar pairs today. Yeah, man, for sure. I put out all this information. It helps me to remember all this stuff too. There's a lot going on. I got like 21 pairs up there. 25 pairs. I forgot how many it is, but it's a lot. So it's good to like remind myself of this stuff too. And I got a lot of this information for free too when I was learning, so I don't mind resharing the same free information that I got. But yeah, the course obviously is like organized and detailed, and you know, you don't have to go searching for all this stuff. It's just all laid out for you. So that's the benefit of buying any course, not just mine, anybody's course or book or whatever. That's the benefit. Okay, just waiting on my green bar here. Oh, we got a potential entry over here too. So over here, I'm gonna wait for either a double top or an engulfing top. And then here, parabolic bottom. Those are the two trades that I'll take for today. And that's going to be it. Oh, Victor, you said for sure when you save some money. But I just like that you don't have that mentality. If you say something that he could become a competitor. Forex trading is only really good, discipline, I'll say smart people can day trade successfully. So I'll tell you whatever. I mean, I'm not putting you in that category. I'm just saying I'm not worried about anybody stealing my information and going and making a channel or something. You can not just anybody can do this. Only like the best of the best can do this, and let alone make a social media channel about it. You'd have to really be the real deal in order to do all this stuff anyway. So yeah, this is the one thing somebody can't like copy what I'm doing, you know. And even if they do, they're not me, so I don't really care. there probably already has been people copying. It doesn't matter to me. I'm making my money from trading anyway. If you decide to buy the course or something, great. It's not something that I depend on. I only made the course because people kept asking me how to trade, and they wanted me to teach them how to trade. So I made a course. So whenever somebody asks me, I can just refer them to the course. You can learn right there. That was the only reason I made it. Yeah, I did spend time on it, so I am going to charge some amount of money, but I see some people charging like thousands of dollars for their course. It's not even that much. I've seen courses for like 10 grand or more even. Okay, this one's taking kind of long, but this one looking a little better. I still need like a double something. Double top, engulfing top, something. Right now it's not a good enough trade. New version of the course. What's going to be the different from the current one? It is going to have a lot more information about the different patterns, way more live examples. I'll put in some recommended reading in there, all the different books that I read so far, which is probably like 15 different trading books that I read. What else? I made a whole list. It's in one of the videos. I think it's not the last video, but the one before that. I talked about all the stuff that I am gonna put into the new course, new version of the course. Yeah, I've had maybe 30 course sales so far. 30 people I think have bought the course so far. So I haven't had any complaints yet. So everyone seems to like it. Yeah, that's true. It's still good to read through those books anyway, because those people that wrote those books were trading way longer than I have. I've only been trading for 3.5 years now. So all those guys that wrote those books were trading for like 10 plus years. So yeah, I did take the information that I learned from those books and put it into the course, but it's still good to read through the whole entire book anyway, from someone who's more experienced than me and has been doing it longer. Oh, I see what you mean. Someone should buy the $10,000 course and do a review on it. Okay, so we got our second green bar. Do I enter now? Kind of shallow. Well, I'm not gonna spend 10 grand on a course. That's way too much. If I had $1 million, maybe. But if I had $1 million, I wouldn't need to buy a course anyway. I don't know who's buying that thing. Okay. Alright, so this one's almost ready here. I just want to see one more top, and then I'll hop in there. So I'm gonna keep my eye on that one. Yes, patience is the key. Patience and self-discipline. Yeah, and if you've been like messing up on your trading, one thing I've learned to do is just sit through an entire session and don't take any trades, and like test yourself and make sure that you're able to control your like impulses, because you do have to have enough. You have to know what you're looking for, so that when you see it, you just take the trade. You don't want to not be taking any action either, but you also don't want to be like desperately trying to take money out of the market, because all you're going to do is lose money if you trade like that. You just have to really wait for like the super good patterns. This one is not. This green bar is not big enough, so it might even go down more. I need like a solid green bar like this one right here. A nice juicy green bar, not this little tiny one. Okay, this might be a more solid green bar here. Now I'll go ahead and enter or set my buy stop. Okay. If it goes down a little bit more, I would wait for like a super giant green bar. Then I might enter. Then I might buy it still. But if it continues down, I might just leave it alone, because it really shouldn't. It should just go back up. So this is probably the one here. So I'll make it extra safe by waiting for the bar to form and using a buy stop. That extra layer of protection. Put a condom on that bad boy. This is the condom and the plan B combination right here. Not having that baby. Okay, this one. I'm gonna set the sell stop here. Actually, I'm just gonna take the sell here. I don't want to miss this one here. Okay, I'll take this sell here. I go for 3. I go for 2. I'll go for 2 on this one. I think the 3 might be a little risky. Okay. Alright, so I got in that one, and then also have to get in this one. They both happen at the same time. Okay, I had to get this one too. Okay. And this one, I'm gonna go for 3. Yeah, I go for 3 on this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I enter these 2 trades. I gotta sell. I gotta sell here. Went down pretty quickly there. $34. There we go. Got a 10. 20. I didn't go for 3 because 3 is like down here past the level. So it might go down further, but I'm not gonna bet on it. And then this one, possibly should have waited a little bit longer here, but I'm already in it now, so oh. 1 9. Okay. And I have 4 and 2 reward here. Okay. All right. Those are my 2 trades. This one I should have maybe waited a little bit longer, but I got my 2 green bars for the entry. So that is the pattern. So if it fails, it fails. So why did I take these 2 trades? All right, so the UCHF on the hourly chart, this is still a downtrend. So if you look on the hourly chart, it's a very heavy downtrend. That same one I traded yesterday. This doesn't just go right back up. It goes up first, comes down, maybe chops around a little bit, and then goes back up or continues down. But it's very rare that it's gonna go up past the 21 EMA without coming back down first. So this is a EMA pullback on the hourly chart, which is the best move in the entire Forex or day trading world. A heavy pullback on the hourly chart in the middle of a heavy trend. That's the best move anywhere, ever. So that's the highest win rate you'll ever get. And this one here is a parabolic bottom. So a big overextended move down, comes up, comes back down, gives you a second bar in the other direction, and that's where you take your entry. Like I said, this first green bar was kind of tiny, so I waited for another one. But now that I think back to it, I could have gotten in on the tinier bar and gotten 3 reward instead of 2, but it's fine. It happened kind of fast, so so that's why I took those 2 trades there. This one's looking pretty good. They both look pretty good, so hopefully I'll win both of them. These trades have been taking really long lately, so it'd be like a 2-3 hour trade. That might be the case with these. actually lost track of what I'm at this week. Let me. Today, 22nd. This week started on the 20th. I've taken 5 trades so far, not counting these 2. I am up, let's see. So I'm up 3 right now. Yeah, up 3%. Man, you've been following along closely, man. Yeah, up 3 for the week, so not great really. I should be a little higher up than that right now, but not too bad. I at least want to get to 10 by Friday. That's always the goal. All right. Be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Definitely helps with the channel. Yeah. Yeah, so if I get these 2, I think I have them both at 2. So if I get both of these, I'll be at 7 for the week. I think I should at least get this one. The other one's a little bit iffier. This one looks pretty guaranteed. Well, I'll have enough income from trading to be able to not have to do some of the other stuff that I'm doing right now. So I'll be able to trade the London and New York session. Alrighty, Victor. Good seeing you again, man. Oof. Man, those sleeping pills hit me fast today. I do want to wait. Okay, here's the second open right here, 1 o'clock. So 20 seconds, we're gonna see some type of craziness. Hopefully good craziness. Just go ahead and hit my take profit. 10 seconds. Alrighty. Hopefully good stuff here. Okay, here we go. Alright, so far so good. Okay, cool. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. Oh. It might just push this one through faster. That'd be cool. Alrighty. I didn't get the whip and the nay out of my trade. I didn't get whipped or nay-nayed. Oh yeah. Oh, they're both looking good. EGPP is going up. This is coming down. Perfect, perfect. Little more to go. Yeah, this one might end up taking forever. Um, Sometimes I'll move the stop to break even. This is not a situation where I would do that. But sometimes it needs some room to put in like a double top and then come back down. Some of these moves end up taking like 3 hours. So it might come to here right now, go all the way back up here, and then come down and go through. I've seen that a lot. So yeah, I don't want to take partial. Even if it takes 3 hours, that's fine. I want to take the full reward of the trade. Yeah, might even be able to get it now. That'd be cool. Maybe. But I wouldn't be surprised if it takes 2-3 hours. That might end up happening too. Yeah, it looks like it might go through now in like the next 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll double the stop on occasion. There's just some situations where that's the thing to do. And some moves I'll move the stop to break even. If it's like a really solid heavy downtrend, I'll move the stop to break even. Especially if it's like a tight stop. This is kind of a big stop. I got into the move a little bit late. So in this situation, I'm just gonna let it run, and it should go through. It's like I'd say it's like a 90% chance this trade will go through, no matter what happens. If it goes back up and comes down, it'll still go through anyway. It's looking like it might just go through now, so that'd be even better. Woo! Go, 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 go! Wow, dollar came crashing down. No surprise there. All right, it's got 2 pips to go. Oh. Yeah, this should go through now. Oh, there it is. Okay. Make sure it actually went through here. Yep. Okay, so I got that one. Pretty easy. That was like a 15-minute trade. So that was pretty quick. And then my other one is still going. So it looks like the other one might be the one that takes forever, but still should go through. So super easy trade there. That was nice. I could have went for more reward, looks like. Didn't want to get too greedy. Alrighty, let's check out this other one over here. Yeah, this one's looking like it might take forever. I don't think it'll fail though. We'll see. It could. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm not gonna yeah, no, I'm not gonna take any more trades today. And the sleeping pill hit me all the way, so I don't even have the energy to do anything else. So hope you enjoyed the stream. I'm still in this EGBP for now. It's not looking as good, but I'll let it run and see what happens. I got my UCHF trade, so I'm at least up to for the day. Yeah, gotta wake up early, so I'll cut the stream early here. Again, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow at 11:30 West Coast time, and I will see you guys later.